Greetings and welcome to this week's Primed Insight. My name is Gavin Gooden, Marketing Director here at Blast One. Today we're going to be talking to you about the correct setup of an air spray gun, how to use it, how to optimize it, and how to make it work properly for you. So first we're going to look at the anatomy of the gun. So this bottom valve here is called the cheater valve. It's restricting the airflow coming in. Most of the time you run with the valve wide open and use the regulator in the warrior pump to set up the air pressure. You use this cheater valve to temporarily reduce the airflow when in tight spaces so you don't get blowback. This middle valve is like your stopper. It tells you how much you can pull the trigger back. Again, allows you to limit how much paint will come out of the end of the tip. This third knob, the top one, controls the amount of airflow that comes into the horns of the air cap, and it controls the width of your spray pattern. Alright, so now we're going to step into setting up the gun for optimizing your performance. So first of all, you turn off the air to the gun. So you got your pump primed and you're ready to spray. Turn off your air, and then with just the paint, pull the trigger all the way back and adjust the pressure at the pump. Too many guys adjust the flow at the gun. You want to adjust at the pump. So you want to set your fluid stream coming out of the gun so it starts to drop off after about 6 inches away from the tip. If you want more paint, get a bigger tip. Don't increase the pressure, because that'll give you a bad atomization. The middle knob on the spray gun can be used to restrict the amount of paint when you're getting into a small area where you need just a little bit less, like getting into a corner or just cutting it around a piece of pipe, around a pipe. It's when you can use that knob to temporarily restrict this flow of paint. Now you get your P stream or your flow of your paint working properly, you can start introducing air. So you want to turn your air onto the gun, and you want to spray a spot onto a vertical surface. You want to get a vertical surface and spray horizontally onto that surface. People typically use a piece of cardboard or a roll of paper. You want to analyze the spray pattern. You want it to be even and smooth shaped, and you want to inspect the drips to make sure you have an equal amount of paint applied across that spot. So when you spray this spot, it is heavy at the ends. You need to lower the air pressure at your pump because the horns are sending too much pressure into that airstream, and it's deflecting some of that paint more towards the edges. If the paint is heavy in the middle, you need to increase the air pressure at the pump. What you're looking for is an even film build, and you can tell that when you spray that spot, you're looking for the even drips coming down. That will tell you got the same amount of paint the whole way across that spot. If you have any difficulties or challenges in any of your paint projects, contact Blast One today. Let our experience and our know-how keep you profitable on your jobs. Thanks for watching this week's Primed Insight. We'll see you next week.